Go give Rachel a hug. Say bye. Bye. Wait, give your friend a hug. Say bye. Bye. Okay, let's go.
What do you have? Put it in the floor. Ew, what is that? You don't need that. Ew, come here.
Bye. Let's go.
Man, Landon is mean today.
Come on, let's go. Say bye. Bye. So give Kylie another hug. Oh. Okay.